Breaking news: Cardi B drops receipts, shows Chef apologizing, and says publication twisted her words. Claims she spoke to the chef daily and says the chef never told her she was touched by Stefan Degaze. Cardi B wrote, "Not once has that woman said anything to me about being. Not once. Mind you, we was talking every single day until she left that house and she just wrote me this, but I'm gonna let the court handle, and when it gets handled, I want all you talking on your knees with apologies just as loud the way you're being over the lies. And I put that on my 2 months old son in the name of the Lord. That's how confident I am." With a written, "I'm sorry," that is Chef, who apologized. "I'm so sorry. I can't talk to you. I didn't say that specifically in the way it was written. Please contact my meditator and she will answer anything you need to know, but only in person and confidently."